Hey everyone, welcome back. Thank you for joining me again to my first actually successful turned resin project. I've been doing a couple on the lathe and I tend to break them. It's a beginner's thing, so I'm just kind of refining my technique. And this was a pretty super easy project to do since it was mounted in the tailstock the whole time. I didn't have to worry about getting around inside a cup or anything like that. So I think it turned out really well. I'm excited to add it to my home bar. This is going to be for the tap handle that I made another video prior, if you want to take a look at that. It was all resin and dye. I did it in a couple different layers, starting with the black and tinsel, followed up by a translucent purple with little bits of black streaks to kind of incorporate in there, and then a completely clear layer that I drew in it with resin dye. It came out an amazing effect, and I hope you'll enjoy. really enjoy, especially with this project. I don't know if it was a really dry day out, but these resin shavings stick to absolutely everything. I think I tried to walk out to grab my dust mask for sanding, and my entire feet were just covered in this silly string type stuff. It was quite a pain to clean up. Reminded me of spending the night with Spider-Man or something. So now that I got all the micro mesh polishing done, it turned out really well. I think I could still do a little more polishing, but until I get the diamond wheels, it's kind of as far as I can go. I think the clarity is really great, and you can see a whole lot of detail in there. So I'm very, very happy. So this turned out to be a really quick turning, and I'm glad I didn't chip out really anything. I was kind of worried. It did have an air bubble in the side, but I think sanding it right in the beginning with 50 grit really helped just kind of smooth things out and produce a really smooth turning. So thank you all again. If you like this, subscribe for more, and I'll see you all soon. Have a good night.